Hey guys, Travis Ventrella here, and I am super excited because I have one of my clients on this call today, Alex. And bro, you started working with me and JC maybe about like what? I know you got started in the winter time, but you've been actively like implementing everything, would you say, like over the last 2 to 3 months or so?
Yes, definitely.
Cool. And what's really cool about Alex is when he started with us, like, bro, I want you to tell them, like, what were you guys kind of averaging per month before working with us? And what was like the approach you're taking marketing wise? Like, what were you doing to get customers?
So we were averaging about 3 to 4 thousand a year. We were mainly doing Facebook ads.
You said, wait, 3 to 4 thousand a year or a month?
Oh, sorry, a month. Sorry, 3 to 4 thousand a month. And yeah, we were mainly using Facebook ads, so it's super inconsistent. Not gonna lie. So yeah, that's what kind of we were mainly focusing
But
on, and
with
we
the
kind of
Facebook ads that you were doing, were you doing like boost it posts and kind of trying to figure it all out or?
We were running not boosted posts, but like the regular meta ads.
Okay.
I actually was YouTubing videos, trying to figure out the best way to market through there. And I mean, it was all right, but it definitely wasn't the best way. And then we relied on like organic leads as well.
Mm.
Um, and so that's kind of, I mean, it was
And when
very
you say
inconsistent.
organic, like word of mouth, knocking doors, flyers, like what specifically?
We did, yeah, word of mouth was the main one. And then actually we did door knock a few times, but it never worked out, like ever.
That
So, yeah,
sucks.
yeah.
Wow. And then obviously, like I remember you guys were kind of looking for a coach because you tried YouTube videos, you tried implementing things on your own, and then you like came across my Instagram, we hopped on a call. And I know that obviously like what like really resonated with you to even get you on a call with me?
Honestly, kind of like your biography, to be honest. I saw your Instagram. I saw how you were helping other detailers, and I was like, I mean, a call doesn't hurt. I mean, I've gone on multiple calls with other
Yeah.
organizations. So I was like, you know what, I'm gonna schedule a call. We're gonna go from there. I mean, that's the best way. Obviously, you got to find out. You got to talk to the person face to face. So that's kind of the main
Yeah.
reason I jumped
And
on the
then
call
dude,
with you.
you
I was
guys move forward, right? You guys move forward with us and what's like happened since? Like what are you at for the month on the books right now?
so far for the month we're at about 12,000. Today we actually booked another
12,000.
2,000 for the month. Yep. And then we this
So you
week we
booked how much today?
2,000 alone today roughly will be booked.
Okay, so
Um,
so does that is that included in the 12,000 or would that put you at 14,000?
that's for next month actually. So
Okay, so you got them on the books for next month. Okay. Dude,
yeah.
that's solid though. So you guys are at $12,000 for the month, and the month we still got about 4 days, so I'm sure you might be able to land a few more deals. But that's incredible. And you're how old?
21, actually 21 years old.
Yeah. That's wild because I can't tell you how many detailers I'll speak with. They're in their 40s. They're only doing like $4,000 to $6,000 a month. So great job. And I noticed you said like you were on calls with like, maybe other agencies or coaches. What would you say like how do you move forward with us instead of the other people you spoke with?
Honestly, one of there's actually two main reasons. The other agencies like to do the monthly basis, so I like the full payment up front, and then it just kind of goes on from there. Which it's really I helped us out a lot actually. And then the other one I really liked was just like the actual hands-on coaching. Like if I had any questions, I could call you guys or text you guys, set
Yeah.
up a meeting and whatnot. And the other agencies were more. I felt like that I talked to, they were mostly marketing agencies, which you guys kind of do it all, which is super nice. But they were mainly
Yeah,
marketing
it's like
agencies,
with
so
marketing agencies, they're working with so many different businesses where it's like we're specifically working with like car detailers, right? And
yeah,
then even though like I've had a bunch of other types of businesses work with us and get results. It's like we're very specific, from the marketing to the packages to the processes to the automations to the SOPs. And so, dude, I appreciate that. What would you say to the person who's maybe watching this video right now who, maybe they never had a call with us before and they've been considering working with us, and maybe they're nervous, they're skeptical, or the person who maybe had a call with me and is rewatching my YouTube videos right now and they're like, you know what? Like, they're kind of 50-50. Should I work with Travis? Should I not? What would you say to that person? Because I remember when we were on a call, you guys almost didn't move forward because it was something new to you. And obviously, like, you wanted to make sure you're making the right decision. Yet you guys, like, you pulled through on the call, moved forward, implemented the system, just had a record month of $12,000, which is insane. But like, what would you say to the person who's kind of on the edge right now? Like, they're wondering, should
Um,
I do this? Should I take this leap?
I would say, I mean, obviously, if you don't change your ways, nothing's going to change. So I would say definitely,
Mm.
I mean, take the leap. I mean, I was nervous personally, but I mean, I
I
talked to my business
remember.
partner about it. I
And
was
what
like,
did I say though? I said, bro, I can't wait to interview you on my YouTube channel. And here we are, like 3-4 months later.
yeah, I know. I don't know. I was a little nervous, but I talked to my business partner. He's like, let's just do it, man. What do we have to lose? There's nothing we have to lose. So I was like, that's fair. So, I mean, I would say take the full risk. And it's not, I don't think it's a risk now. I mean, I thought it was the
Right.
best investment of my life, to be honest. So,
It's like, what's more riskier, right? Like, I remember I was on a call with someone who just joined the other day, and we'll kind of end with this, but they were considering, they were in the starting phase of their detailing business. They're only doing like $1,000 a month, and their parents are wanting them to go to college, right? But they don't want to go to college. And so
uh,
I was asking them, like, what's more riskier, like investing in a coach with the right systems where you could easily get to 10, 20, $30,000 a month detailing, or paying $48,000 for 4 years of the college they were going to go to, because colleges range in price. Plus, that's not even including the interest. And most business professors in colleges, they don't even have a business,
yep,
right? They're
that
just
is true.
teaching from a book and they're teaching on history. And so it's like, what's more riskier, investing, 50 grand plus the interest into going to college to get a job you don't even want to get, or investing a fraction of that into getting your business up and running, right? And so I agree with you, bro. It's an investment. Any last words you'd want to say to someone watching this video?
Um, I'd say just I mean if you plan on doing big numbers, I mean you got to take a risk at some point in your life. Even if you plan on, going from mobile to a shop, everything's going to be a risk, and I would definitely take it. I mean if you don't take a risk, you're going to stay stuck where you are. So it's your
Yeah.
choice, and
Well,
yeah. So
Well, dude, I appreciate you hopping on here, man. I mean, you're 21 years old. You went from $4,000 a month to $12,000 a month, and I'm excited to see the bigger numbers you hit on this journey. And super pumped for you, bro, and
thank you,
excited for you to reach new levels, man.
thank you. I appreciate it. We're hoping we're going to keep on shooting for bigger numbers. So
That's right,
hopefully
man.
this next month will
Well,
be bigger.
if you're someone watching this video right now on my YouTube and you've seen my content, you've seen the testimonies, and you're, stuck at maybe 3 to 7K a month with your detailing business, or even 20K, because we have clients doing anywhere from 10K a month to 60K a month, and you want some additional help, feel free to click the link below this video, book a call with me and my team. And on that call, it's nothing too crazy. We're just going to get a better idea on where you're at in your business, where you want to get it to. And if we're confident we could help you get results, would love to walk you through what we do and how it works. And if not, we'll at least point you in the right direction. So thank you guys for watching this video. I look forward to chatting with you soon.